Google Authenticator is probably the most popular authentication app, and in this video we'll learn to use it. So let's get into it. This is how it looks. However, we'll start afresh. When you open it for the first time, you will have a Get Started button. The following interface asks you to pick a Google account. If you do that, the cloud sync will be enabled automatically. Click this arrow to see all your accounts. We can use the app without an account and choose the account later. Here we go, the app is in the offline mode. Over here, this add a code button will let you add accounts for any website that supports two-factor authentication. Many popular websites including Facebook, Google, Discord, Amazon and Reddit support 2FA. You may Google to see if yours supports it. Next, click this or the plus button. You will see two options. One is the QR code option. This is helpful when you have another device like another phone or PC. The second option is if you are only working on this phone. We'll cover both ways. For this video, I'll use my Discord account. First, we need to find the two-factor authentication settings. In most cases, these settings are either in the security settings or the account settings. For Discord, they are in the account settings. As an example, the option is in the security settings for this website. We'll click this enable button. Once you do that, you will see two things. One is the QR code and the other is the key. As discussed earlier, if both are different devices, click the QR code button. This will open up the camera. All we need to do is scan this QR code with that camera. It will automatically get all the details. If you're using the same device, you will need to choose the second option. Here, give it a name and you see this key. Copy this whole text and paste it here. It will do the same job. We can see that both are the same even though one was scanned and the other one was copied text. The process is not done yet though. We need to insert whatever code is displayed here on the website. For most, we need to click next, but for Discord, it's right here. I will put it in and click activate. You might need to insert your password as well. If all is correct, it will go ahead. The next step is the backup. Almost all the websites give at least one backup way to log in case you can't access the app. Some give backup codes, some offer passkey, some ask for a mobile number, etc. I will download the backup codes. Now the process is complete. From now on, every time I log into Discord from a new location, I must insert the displayed code. There should also be an option to try a backup method. I'll insert the code and click confirm. Great, we are now logged in. Moving on, we can enable Cloud Sync. That way all the accounts are saved to your Google account. When you log into a new device, they will be there all the time. All we need to do is click the profile icon and choose a Google account. Ensure no previous backup is saved because that will be replaced. Then click continue. Now you will see a cloud icon and your profile picture. Suppose you want to transfer these accounts or move to a new device. You may simply choose this account when opening it for the first time and all these accounts will be synced. Lovely. Another way to transfer accounts is offline. If you don't want to use the internet or for any other reason you want to stay offline, we can transfer the codes. Go to the left menu and click transfer codes. Here we can export codes to a different device or import them from a different device. To export them, you will need to insert your PIN or biometrics. Then it will ask for the accounts to export. On this screen, this QR code is just to download the app on the other device. If you already have it, just click next. This is the main QR code. On the other device, we need to click import. It will open up the camera. We need to scan this code with that camera. All done, you might need to restart the app on that device for the codes to appear. On this device, you can delete all the codes after exporting them, or you can keep them. I will keep them for now. Great! Google Authenticator now has a lock option. If you want to enable the PIN or biometrics for it, click this option. It will show a few timings. Choose when the app should lock automatically. After that, you will need to verify with your biometrics or PIN to unlock it. Before we go, here's a tip. Go to the export option, and when you see this code, take a screenshot of it and save it somewhere. If you lose access to the app for any reason, just scan this code from Google Authenticator to get the codes back. With that being covered, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching it. Subscribe for more like this, and take care.